Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted records in monday.com. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to monday.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your workspace. This will take you to your main monday.com dashboard where you can see all your active boards and projects. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there, which is usually a small circular image or your initials. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several account options. This menu contains various settings and features related to your workspace management. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and select the option labeled Trash. This is where monday.com stores all your deleted items, including boards, items, and records. It's essentially a safety net that prevents permanent data loss and gives you the ability to recover anything you might have accidentally removed. Clicking on Trash will open a new page showing you everything that's been deleted from your workspace. Once you're in the Trash section, take a moment to browse through the results. You'll see a list of all deleted records, boards, and items that are still recoverable. The Trash area organizes these items chronologically, making it easier to find what you're looking for. You can scroll through the list to locate the specific record you need to restore. Each item shows details like when it was deleted and what board it belonged to, which helps you identify the correct record. After you've found the record you want to recover, select it by checking the box beside it. You'll notice that each deleted item has a checkbox on its left side. Click on this checkbox to mark the record for restoration. You can select multiple items if needed, but for now, just focus on the one you want to restore. Once you check the box, the item will be highlighted, indicating that it's been selected. Finally, look at the bottom of the page where you'll see a Restore button. Click on this button to recover your selected record. monday.com will process your request and move the record back to its original location in your workspace. The restoration happens almost instantly, and the record will reappear in the board where it was originally located before deletion. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted record in monday.com, and it's now back in your workspace exactly where it was before. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.